Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Welcome on my channel. Today I would like to show you how to crochet, this time crochet, not knit, such tawashi or washcloth or scrubby. This tawashi is with the handle, goes with handle that you can put like this on your hand, and you can take a bath, or you can wash your dishes, or you can clean something. It's up to you. This tawashi is made from one piece of cord, so there is no intermediate knots or cuts. It will be the whole one piece of thread. And I made it from the natural jute, and as you see, it's unbleached. So it's very ecological. And I mostly use it for washing dishes. I don't use washing machine at all, dishwashing machine at all. I wash all my dishes only with such tawashis. Also, there is a digital pattern that you can download from my Ravelry shop. The link is in the caption to this video. So let's start. Here is my jute twine. It is 3 millimeters in diameter, and here is my hook, 7 millimeters. 7 millimeters hook, it's UK number 2 or US letter K, but letter K is actually 6.5 millimeters, so you can take some bigger. There's just no letters in US abbreviations for some reason. Here is the chart with which we will be working. We start from adjustable ring or magic ring. Here is our yarn. Put it like this on your hand, hold it, twist it around 2 fingers, cross over the short edge, insert under the short tail, and pull through the long one. Hold it. Here is our adjustable ring. When we will work the first round, we will pull this tail, and this hole will be much smaller. Start with chain 1 and then 6 single crochets around this ring. I'm using US terminology. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the tail. Look, and we making a slip stitch in the loop formed by the first single crochet of the round. First round is done. We will turn our work after finishing each round to prevent the rolling of the edges of our tawashi. So turn your work, make chain 1. So the first round was in this direction. The second one will be counterclockwise. In the second round, we need to make 2 single crochet in every stitch of the previous round, 6 times. 6 times on 2 single crochet. As long as we made slip stitch in the previous round, we have kinda extra loop right here. So we need to start our working of the second round from the third loop from your hook. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Starting from here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we will make the slip stitch in the slip stitch of the previous round. Turn your work, chain 1. The third round we will work clockwise. We need to make 6 sections of 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. In the end we will have 18 stitches. So starting from the third loop from the hook, 1, 2, 3 from here, making 1, then 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Make the slip stitch in the slip stitch of the previous round. Why do I do this? Why do I not slip stitch in the first loop? So the center line will not lean with every round. I prefer this way. The third round is worked. We have 18 stitches. Turn your work, chain 1. The fourth we begin counterclockwise in this direction. 6 sections of this: single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, starting from the third loop from the hook. 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 and 2, 6 times. All the stitches of fourth round are finished, and we are making the slip stitch in the slip stitch of the previous round. Turn our work, chain 1. The fifth, the last one, we are making 6 sections of this: 3 separate single crochets and 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, beginning from the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 6 times like this to the end of the. All the stitches of the last round are made. We're making a slip stitch in the slip stitch of the previous round and making the loop, this loop for hanging, to keep our tawashi wet, I mean dry and clean. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And join it just right here. With another slip stitch. And now to start the handle, we need to make 6 slip stitches along the edge of the tawashi. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now starting the handle. The handle consists of 9 rows of 3 single crochet. Start from chain 1 every row, right? And from next. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 3. Turn your work, chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, and work like this for 9 rows, please. We finished the handle, and now we need to attach it to the opposite side of the tawashi. We made 6 slip stitches counterclockwise to start the handle. Now we need to count 6 stitches clockwise plus 3 stitches of the handle, because our working yarn is here on the longer edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. Start from here. Just get your yarn and pull it through both loops. Then the second stitch of the handle and the next stitch of the edge, pull through both of them, and the third one. Now there is our initial tail. We are weaving it inside the body of the tawashi, and then we hide all this, turn it inside out. So this pretty braid will be outside and all our stuffs will be hidden inside. This is, as you can understand, unwashed tawashi, so it's a little bigger. After you will wash it, it will become a little smaller, like this. Here what I had for you today, guys. I hope you liked my video. I hope you will visit my Ravelry shop and will download for free the PDF pattern for making these tawashis. Thank you very much for watching me. Follow my channel if you still don't, and have a good day. Goodbye.